There's one more question one person is asking is, what are the reasons for high head pressure in a central AC plant? So let me open that respective module. This module is related to troubleshooting, and it covers all the various issues. Someone is asking why head pressure. So let me go through all for the benefit. First is high head pressure. That's one reason. Why that high head pressure? One, in an air-cooled condenser, you can have a dirty condenser, low airflow from the condenser fan, the air not flowing through this condenser. Non-condensing gases system means your refrigerant is impure, it is containing some air and some other impurities. Next is excessive internal loads. Suppose the internal loads have increased, occupancy has increased, or some equipment load has increased. And next is installation of chiller. Now, suppose you have installed this air-cooled chiller in the open direct sunlight, it will affect it, right? So environment also plays a very important part in the head pressure of the plant. That question was for high head pressure. As long as when you've opened the module, you can go through all this. Reason for high head pressure of water cooled system, less water flow, dirty strainer, scaling in condenser tubes, cooling tower issues, impurities of non-toxic gases in the refrigerant. Then you have low head pressure. Then you have high suction pressure. Reasons are given, low suction pressure, and the various other issues. Reasons are given here. Then you have warm suction line, the given cold suction line. So many other shortage of refrigerant, and so many reasons are there. Right? Another question just asked on this topic was, why do the what you call pipeline vibrate? Water pipeline vibration. Here we are. So this, you must have noticed that sometimes these pipelines begin to vibrate violently. What's the reason? The reason is there's air in the system. This air causes knocking inside the pipeline, resulting in vibration. So this is like, not only that, it will damage the impeller also. Let me run the slide for you. Slide show from current slide. Take a look at this. See, the pipe is vibrating. So as explained earlier, the question was, this is released by the air purging valves.